Today, we're looking at how to restore SharePoint items from your Veeam backups for Office 365 provided by Offsite Datasync. Here we have a SharePoint site for the product development team, and in the site we have a page dedicated to this team. Let's simulate that we need to edit this page, and while we're at it, we'll accidentally make a change. So we'll click the Edit button, and now let's delete this web part, and we'll click Publish. Oops, our cool picture is gone. In order to restore it, we'll simply navigate to the Offsite Datasync Services portal. We'll click Details for the Office 365 service. Then we'll navigate to the SharePoint Explorer tab. And here we have the Product Dev Team site. You'll see that we can restore the entire site, or we can browse individual items. If we hover over the buttons under Browse, we can browse site documents, browse site folders, browse site items, browse site libraries, and browse site lists. Since we want to restore the team page, let's click the file icon to browse site documents. Here we have our team page from the most recent backup. If we click on Actions, we'll see three options: Restore document to the original location, Restore document to zip file, and Send document via email. Since we want to restore it back to SharePoint, let's click Restore to original location. We are prompted to enter the Office 365 admin credentials, so we'll supply the username and the password and click Submit. We get a warning letting us know that if the item exists in SharePoint, it may be overwritten. Since we know that we wish to do this, we can click Yes to continue. Now the restore has started, so we can click OK. We can check on the status by clicking on the blue tab, and we can see that the restore has completed. So let's go back to SharePoint. We'll click Refresh, and here's our deleted web part, restored right back into SharePoint. So let's go back to the Services portal and look at one other restore option. If we wanted to export this item as a zip, we simply click Actions and Restore Document to Zip. Again, we can check the status by clicking on the blue tab, and the export is complete. Now we can click on Downloads on the left-hand side, and here we have a zip file of our team page. We can click the file or click Download to open or save the file. The ability to download is available for 15 days. And that's it. You have now successfully restored an item in SharePoint using the Offsite Datasync Office 365 backup powered by Veeam.